that your yaya? Is that your pretty necklace? Hey Lily, can you show us, where's your eyes? Eyes, yep. Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your cheek? Where's your cheek? Yeah, over there. Where's your tongue? Yeah, there's your tongue. Where's your ear? Ear. Where's your chin? Good job. Where's your neck? Neck, yeah. Where's your teeth? Your teeth are in there, yeah. Where's your hair? Hair on top of your head. Where's your head? Yep. Where's your arm? Good job. Where's your hand? Yeah, you got your hands, yeah. Where's your belly? Belly. Somewhere in there. Where's your leg? Leg. Where's your feet? Feet. Where's your toes? Toes. Yeah. Do you know your knee?
Boo-boo.
A little boo-boo on your knee. Yeah. Yeah.
Boo-boo.
And a little boo-boo on your toe. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Hey Lily, do you know what does a doggy say? What does a doggy say? What does a lion say? Arr. What does a sheep say? A sheep? Okay, are you done with this? What does a cat say? Meow. What does a ducky say? Quack, 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 quack. What else is there? What does a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yeah, good stuff. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yeah. You say do-do-do-do-do. What does a dinosaur say? Rawr, Daddy taught you that one. Yeah. Do you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, because the battery's going to go. Bye-bye. Mwah.